was that? It is February 26th. This is very entertaining trade on oil. Oil news is out. Our 21 range made it to reversal zone, moving stop to break even. You're witnessing how critical this level is on oil. This is exact same level where S&P had staged reversal from. Clear? Know your levels. This is completely expected. This is very predictable. This is picture perfect reminder why no newbie trader should ever be trading oil. What did we discuss this morning? When sellers will step in, it would be quite vicious, correct? What are we witnessing on oil? 68K versus 1ME. So here it is, my 21 range that we take in 20 minutes prior to pre-market reached reversal zone and sellers are stepping in. What did we discuss this morning? We discussed to expect very weak buying pressure. We discussed that when sellers will step in, it would be quite vicious selling. So how does that make any sense? Shortage of supply and pretty impressive selling pressure? Let's see what price will do. As we know, price will always override the news. So again, precision of the levels, simplicity of the price remains the key. So just heads up, my trail 102.34, correct? Price came to 102.35. We're still in this trade. So the response on oil, next time price will visit reversal zone, is very critical. Is that clear? 30 ticks later, when price came to reversal zone, price collapsed. So pretty aggressive trading. There was nothing else on oil that had any meaning. Conservative trader will only now start paying attention to the charts. So again, this is the importance of knowing where reversal zone is. It doesn't matter if you're trading 21 range oil. It doesn't matter if you're trading 1 hour S&P. Never ever acquire trend position into this level. Never ever acquire trade position into this level. So oil is sitting very pretty. I'm monitoring other time frames. As I spelled out earlier today, I'm drastically more excited about trading oil when it comes to reversal zone, taking shorts here. Is that clear? 21 range revisiting reversal zone. What will it do? Will it be able to blast through? Will it surprise us? Or will serious selling step in? Currently, conservative trader starts paying attention to the structure. Is that clear? So again, you saw how sharp and volatile that move was. You saw how predictable all the levels are. You saw the struggle on oil at decision point 1 for about 15 minutes, and you saw how volatile less than a second move for 20 ticks had played out. So once you master one instrument, you become master trader. You know exactly what to expect, and you know exactly where to monitor for trade exhaustion. So what will oil do next? You remember our guiding light 1 hour. That's the reversal zone area, correct? Yes, but S&P gave us massive fake outs. Absolutely. S&P staged massive fake outs for 15-20 minutes and then reversed. Currently I'm waiting for S&P pullback. I can't touch S&P unless it will give me a pullback. Rules remain rules. Those who shorted S&P this morning, early this morning from 1850 area had a lovely ride. That was a very powerful and very conservative trade. So my 21 range on oil keeps playing out as expected. Here it is. I'm trailing very, very carefully. My trail 102.54. Long term, forever, you want to remain conservative trader. You don't want to trade aggressively. This was pretty aggressive trade. There was nothing else on oil. Clear? The fact that we have drastic shortage of supply is helping out that this trade continues on, correct? But don't be fooled. In order for my trade to migrate into 1 hour chart, my trade must blast through reversal zone. We're currently 50 ticks later. This is second target. Clear? So, if you're a super duper aggressive trader and you are in this trade, respect this level. Because you know what? It's very important. 102.96 correlates very, very clearly with our guiding light 1 hour. S&P is showing signs of slowing down, which we love to see. And again, to recap on S&P, if you had taken that marvelous short, you are so done because the short was here. And the short became very, very tired here. So when we came to the markets and prices near these levels, we completely expect reversal. The only problem with S&P, it gave us massive fake outs. The rule number 2 was not met. I could not take a trade. That's why the track record remains with combination of aggressive and conservative trades incredibly high. When you remain conservative trader, when you trade only based on 4 rules, your track record across the board remains in mid-90 percentile. And that's the key. Pain-free trading, selective and conservative. When you witness on the website my performance record, you are witnessing I'm taking mix of conservative and aggressive trades, because if I'm stuck in the room during corrective structure like it was the case on oil, I will take an aggressive trade and I will spell it out to you. If you know the rules and you trade outside of the trading room hours, you have drastically more opportunities. You have very powerful and solid trade setups. So kudos to Pat, who had taken short on S&P. Did anybody else take that short, guys, early this morning? So here we are, 15 minutes after news release. Oil 21 range, 50 tick later, reached reversal zone 2 and struggling to blast through. Because it also reminds us the importance of our guiding light levels on 1 hour chart. We start seeing pretty meaningful selling pressure, which is a very good thing. Here it is. It's coming across the board, and S&P is doing exact same thing. So, no trend goes on forever. Know where to buy and know when price will get tired. Rule number 1 in the course. We completely expected selling pressure right here, so this is where it will get very interesting. This is picture perfect reminder. Reversal zone, 21 range, expected. So here it is, our trail 102.54. Second target is reached, 50 ticks later. Super duper aggressive trade on oil played out just fine. Again, there was nothing else in oil structure that I constitute solid and conservative. I spelled that out very, very clearly. Also, once again, it is a picture-perfect reminder how essential your guiding light 1 hour is, how important it is to respect the wave you are on. Wave class study for Friday. Very important Fibonacci level. Prices dancing between the two. So once again, this was expected, this was predicted. Played out marvelously, beautifully. We are out of this trade. Also, because we knew that when sellers will step in today, they will be vicious. Selling on oil is here. We're incredibly excited what we see next. This trade was a picture-perfect example of the importance of rule-based trading of the importance of obeying precise stop, precise target, and knowing what to expect when your trade reaches reversal zone. And it doesn't matter if you trade oil 21 range, and it doesn't matter if you trade S&P 1 hour, and it doesn't matter if you trade Apple monthly. Choice is yours. What speaks to you and your trading account? We're out of oil. It was one of the slowest news releases I can ever remember, because we knew that long trend did not have much juice to the upside. We knew once the trade will make it to reversal zone, the selling would be drastically more powerful than the buying. 50 ticks later, 2 targets are done. I'm out of this trade.